Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Okay, all right. So there's the bell. All right. So go ahead, use your calculator, do the do now real quick, and then we'll begin. Okay, all right. Let's see. All right. So what's the area of this shape? What shape is this? Yep, trapezoid, right? So base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. So what is that? 10 plus 12 times 3.5 divided by 2. That's 22 times 3.5 divided by 2. Let me use my calculator. Let's see, what's 22 times 3.5? Is that right? 77? Yeah, okay. 77 divided by 2. What's that? 38.5. Okay. Okay. All right. Fantastic. So, let's see. Unit 8, day 20. All right. Let's see. We're in June. Okay. And let's see. There's the homework's on, same place. And the quiz is due tomorrow. Okay. By 2 p.m. Okay. All right. So let's see. Attendance, homework. Oh. So I found a way for you to make up the homework without having to email me. So I found a way for me to get notifications when you make up like homeworks that are older than a month. No, a week. I meant a week. So what I'm trying to say is from now on, when you make up homework, you don't have to email me. Okay? You don't have to tell me, hey, Mr. Ng, I made up homework because I found a way to get notification. All right. So that helps a lot, right? I'm going to tell the same thing to your parents on Monday in the email, Monday or Tuesday, when I email the grades to your parents. What else? With homework, let's see. Yeah. Oh, so now that you don't have to tell me you made up homework, if you want, once you've made up homework and you want to know how your grade has changed, you can still email me. So just say, hey, Mr. Ng, I made up homework and what's my new grade? Okay, that's fine. Like I can tell you what your new grade is after I update the grade book. Background music, all right. No one said anything, so I guess I'll leave that alone. All right. Email grades. I'm gonna email the grades on Monday or Tuesday. Okay. All right. So you don't have to do this anymore. Okay. All right. Now again, if you want to know what homework or quizzes you're missing, you can let me know. You can email me. I'll tell you. All right. Let's see. Where were we? We were doing parallelogram, so I left this up here from yesterday. I didn't erase it. So yesterday we had concluded, right, that to find the area of a parallelogram is like the same thing as finding the area of a rectangle, right? The two dimensions that I give you, those are the same two dimensions. You gotta multiply, and that's it. Okay. So with that said, let's practice. I'll try to keep today at 15 minutes because there's no need to go any longer than that. Okay, so let's practice. Let's just do a few of these together. All right, I'll do these two with you guys. You guys do these next two, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's see. Where are we? All right, let's see. Now, this is a parallelogram. What's the area again? Base times height. So 54 meters squared. That's it, right? 9 times 6, right? All right, same thing. Base times height. You see, I keep rewriting it, right? So base is 11 times 7, 77 millimeters square millimeters. Okay, so with that said, try these two on your own, and then press pause, and then when you come back, I'll have the answers for you. Okay, all right, and we're back. So let's see. All right. What's 14 times 14? Is it 2? 14 times 14. Oh, let me double check. Oh, 196. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Let's see. So I notice how I wrote all the units right now. 2 more questions before I let you just practice. Okay. Wow, today's video might be pretty short actually. Okay. All right. So 2 more questions. Now notice here I am giving you the area. You notice that? I am giving you the area. So the question is, what's the missing part? Now here you have to figure this out on your own, right? What am I giving you? What's 12? Is that the base or the height? That's the base, right? So I'm missing the height. So if you want to, you can go so far as to do this, right? You can say, well, base 12 times the height will give us 72. So what does this have to be? Remember when you solve equations, one-step equations, right? You can divide it by 12, and you will realize that that's, what, 6, right? So 6 what? 6 inches, okay? Got that? Okay, that's how you do it. So the question is something like this, right? Without being too formal. You can ask yourself, 12 times what would give me 72? And you would naturally say 6. So the height is 6, right? So with that said, try this one. How long is the base here? Okay, so, all right, press pause and then we'll come back. Okay, all right, so here you will say something like this, right? You will know that this is the height, right? That's the base. So you might ask yourself something like 5 times what gives you 30? So 5 times the base gives us 30. What's the base? Right, you divide both sides by 5, right? 6, okay? 6 meters. Not meters squared, just meters, okay? The square is strictly for area only. Okay? All right. Now, that said, I'm going to show you these questions right now that are optional. Okay? As a matter of fact, let me shrink these so I could fit everything on the same page. Okay? Just to save you a little bit of time. So, go ahead, copy these questions down. Okay? And then, let's see if everything fits. Yeah, almost. All right, here we go. Yep, so I fit 7 questions on here. Okay, so press pause. All right, I'm gonna press pause also, and I'm just gonna show you the answers. Okay, because that's probably faster for you to check. Okay, so press pause right now, and when we come back, you can go over the answers. Okay. By the way, what is this? Oh, I did say this is optional. So this is optional now. I'm saying it's optional because actually, you know what? You're not go ahead and practice on this, okay? Because I would like you to remember this, and then also we can do a mixed review. Okay, all right, okay. So press pause. Okay, all right, and we're back. So these are the answers. Okay, so press pause, take a moment, go over the answers. They're super duper straightforward. Now, one of the things that I just thought about was that it's not the fact that I'm concerned that you guys don't know how to use the formulas. Like, if it's base times height, it's base times height. Like, how complicated can that be, right? But the question is, do you know when to use what? So again, let's refer to the graphic organizer. And I'll tell you why that is also important. Right? The question isn't like by now. The question isn't whether or not you guys know how to use any of these formulas. Okay? As I've seen the results of the quizzes. The question really is, like, if you see a triangle, would you remember to use this, right? And not something else, like not use it for trapezoid? And if you see a trapezoid, would you know that this was the formula again? That's more concerning for me. Okay? So, with that said, to help you guys, you know, kind of consolidate your knowledge, here I have a mixed review. So go ahead. Now this is probably more important than the last one. So go ahead and do these 4 questions. All right. So press pause. When you come back, I'll have the answers for you. Okay. All right. Oh, by the way, for the last one, I just want to mention that, yeah, okay, the answer is 11, right? Because I'm giving you the area, right? Okay, all right, okay. So press pause, try this right now, and then when you unpause, all the answers will be there. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, and we're back. So these are the 4 answers. All right, now the one that's really the most challenging is number 1 because it's a parallelogram, but then the rest I just have to assume that you know how to find that. Okay, what else? So go ahead, go over your answers with my answers, and then I will show you a couple more questions, and I think that'll be it for today. All right, and then I'll preview what we're gonna learn for the rest of the week. Okay, all right. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, all right. So press pause, and then when you come back, I will show you the answers. Okay, all right, here we go. And there are the answers. Press pause if you need to go over the answers. Now, I'm curious, without me telling you, can you tell what's one shape that is what conspicuously missing? What shape have we learned, right? The 5, right? What 2 shapes are missing actually? It's not even 1, it's 2. What 2 shapes are missing? Think about it. Yeah, right? You're missing a triangle, right? Okay, what else? Yeah, trapezoid, right? There's no trapezoid here. Okay. Okay. All right. So now, why are we doing this? Right? Your question might be why are we doing this? So this is a step in the ultimate direction of solving for composite figures, meaning this. If I were to show you these very odd shapes, right? Would you be able to find the area of these shapes? That's the question. Okay, that's the question. So, including bonus at the end here. Okay, all right. So that's what we're gonna do over the course of this week. All right, and that again is if I were to give you these very odd shape areas, right? Would you be able to still find the area of the whole shape? Okay, so that's the goal. All right, how are we doing on time? Yeah, we can stop it here. Okay, so because you guys had so much practice today. Okay, all right, let's stop it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see you tomorrow. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Don't tell me you don't miss that bell.
OMG, that was so good.